Welcome to the Hey Little Magpie channel, and today I just wanted to take a little bit of time to walk through Elle's studio and her monthly products. So she has a monthly kit. I've got the October one here that I'm going to go through with you, and she also releases various products each month, including stamps, sometimes dies, sometimes die cuts, sometimes puffy stickers, alphabet stickers, always a cut apart sheet, and sometimes journaling cards. So at Hey Little Magpie, we're the only person currently in Europe stocking Elle's studio, and we also offer a monthly subscription to her kits for her. So we offer UK at £12.49 a month, Europe at £17.99 a month, and rest of the world £18.99 a month, and that includes shipping. And you can bundle any Elle Studio products with your kit each month when it ships. You also get the downloadables that Elle produces each month, so a printable sheet and also a die cut or a cut file for you to use. So I'll go through the kits first of all. So this is one of her kits. I've taken everything out of the packaging in the hope that that will minimize glare, but there will still be a little bit of glare, of course, from the stamps. So in the kits you get this lovely die cut sheet. You can see these are all perforated, so they just pop apart. You've just got a couple of perforations on each thing, and obviously each kit is themed. So this is the October kit, so you're going to have a bit of pumpkin season, cooler days are here, things like that. Then we've got some 4x6 cards, so lovely one there to add some little photos. Another die cut sheet that's got lovely, that she always has these tags in and labels that are fabulous, and then other bits and pieces. Another 4x6 cut card. I'll try and lay these out for you. And then at the back we've got some more, another 4x6 cards, so that's 3 4x6 cards, and then these are all 3x4. So one with pumpkins, you could definitely fussy cut that. A ledger piece, a bingo card, home sweet home, autumn fun. Some of these pieces could be cut apart. They're brilliant for on pages as well. Thankful for this. You could use that as a journaling card. So don't just think of Elle Studio as pocket scrapbooking. It's also brilliant for page 12x12 pages. Jackie Ashton on our design team every month creates using the kit, and she creates 12x12 pages. So have a look at Hey Little Magpie Chat and Inspiration. There's an album on there with all Elle Studio layouts. They're absolutely fabulous. So this is more Halloweeny, isn't it? Notes from this week, pumpkins, here for the candy and fun. That would be a great journaling card, wouldn't it, on a 12x12. So you can also use these for matting and layering. So that's all the bits in the kit. So I should just move that to one side. So 2 sheets of cut aparts. Let me see, 3 4x6 cards. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. 3x4 cards, so fantastic value. Then, as I mentioned, every month we have a cut apart sheet. These are only £1, and they're different every month, but this is October label, so absolutely great for adding to your pocket pages or scrapbooking. And then we have this month some 3x4 pocket cards, and these are like Instagram frames, so brilliant set there. These are £3.50 I think from memory. You'd have to double check on the website. These ones are all the same, they say grateful. So that's 2 different sets. We've got 2 lots of alphabets. This is a gorgeous alphabet, I forget what she's called it, but 2 sheets, absolutely full of letters, brilliant value. And of course black, very usable. And this large tile alphabet, I love this one. And you've got the numbers and exclamation marks and things, punctuation as well. So 2 sheets of those. Then we have 1 sheet of puffy stickers. So all autumnal feel to them. They're on a clear backing. I'll leave it there so that you can see, but they're absolutely brilliant for adding to your pages. We've got an office date stamp, and you can just fill in the little numbers in these, do you see, in these sections there? Sorry, my ring light's glaring a little bit, isn't it? Feeling Grateful stamp, and this has a matching die as well. So this stamp, these leaves will work with that leaf die there. So absolutely brilliant. And all the little bits and pieces, look, the little stars and starbursts. And then a lovely label. Just brilliant. And I love all the little wordy bits that Ellie adds to her stamps. So, and that's the leaf dice. I think that's £20. I'm very, very tempted by that one. I think that's gorgeous. And finally, fall strip words. Now let me just move these up a little bit. And then we can go through some of these. And these are all gold foil, do you see? These happy moments, a cozy day. Oh, I'm not doing that very well. A cozy day, the perfect fall day, a moment of delight, remember this, good food and company. And of course you can see all these on the website. Cozy plus cozy plus cozy. Love this tradition. Having fun with friends. Thankful for this moment. Treasuring these moments. Good times with family. Weekend fun in the fall. This is a beautiful site. Running out of space here. Hanging out and having fun. Gathered around the table. Time well spent. Nothing is better than this. Current favourite thing. For the record. Filled with gratitude. Favourite photo of the season. So very grateful for this. Pumpkins, pumpkins and more pumpkins. We're looking forward to this. Right here and right now. Family is everything. The splendour of the season. Enjoying this so much. Fun in the pumpkin patch. Fall is in the air. An adventure in fall. More of this, please. Capturing the magic of this moment. Favourite part of the season. Love these October moments. Wishing this could last forever. Simply the best. Joy found here. And love this story. So look at all that. And Ellie uses the same colour palette for all her products. So it will change depending on the season, but you can mix and match with all your kits throughout the year and you'll find the same colour repeating throughout the year. So do check Ellie's studio out on our website. Check out the subscriptions if that's something you might be interested in. I just wanted to show you everything really and explain that there aren't many places you can get Ellie's studio. She's just a small business running from America, and we're trying to help her out by bringing her stuff over here and offering these subscriptions. So do ask if you have any questions at all in the description box down below, or pop on to Hey Little Magpie and ask your questions there. I hope this has been informative and helped you. Thanks so much. Bye.